Hi friends. Um, this is typically my last video for the day, and this is the second episode on the life execution example series. And where is my chart? Let's go into it. So this is what the Nasdaq. So I'm going to explain why I take this trade or what I did here specifically on this trade, why I ended up doing something like taking something like this. So this trade is obviously um kind of a high resistance liquidity run because I entered here, then reverse on me. So seeing how this panel was what forming, so I just closed the trade. Then when I have this reaction, I entered again. Then my stop loss was here. So I think I can show you something. Yeah, this was my first entry here. So I will explain the reason why I entered. I told you I do use what specifically 2 minute time frame. That's what I do use. So look at what ended up happening. So if you can see all those lines, we are seeing it on my chart. Look, they are not random. They are not just lines. You're seeing all those lines. Look at it. You're seeing all those lines on my chart, but they are not random. And let's see. So on the daily, why do I took this buy uh, selling position was the fact that what I saw on the daily time frame. So overall on the Nasdaq, I was expecting bullish price action, but at what level? See this line? This is the first level I was expecting price to reach and reverse. The second level is this. So these levels are based on the weekly time frame. So they are not random lines. So I just made decision based on those what lines. And when I saw this, you see this inversion fair value graph. So I was hoping that okay, price will open and trade into that inversion fair value gap, then maybe touch it a little bit, then collapse to the downside into this what level here. This. So, but that does not happen. On the 4 hour, you see these two lines, they are based on 4 hour time frame. These two lines are based on 4 hour time frame. So this line is the line that I don't want to see a candle body closure above. If price want to go lower, so and this is just 50% of this, let me call it other block. So of which is the highest point price can reach. I don't want to see body closure above these two lines. Those are the reason why I enter a short position there. I think on the 1 hour, there's something I saw. Then on the 1 hour, so I already had this, huge was sell off. So I was anticipating price to the next candle to what retrace massively to the what downside and collapse and close maybe even here at 50% or here. This is what I was expecting. I don't expect price to continue on going higher like this. So what I do know is for price to what collapse to the downside and close at this line. But I don't know what will happen next. Maybe tomorrow, Wednesday review, you see something about this trade. So I think yeah, we have all those sell side liquidity here. Look at it. Look at this very what sell side liquidity. They are very obvious point. So this is why I took the sell short position. I was in M5. Probably we see another lines, but they are not just line. At least my chart is very clean. And My chart is very clean compared to others people's charts. So those lines here, they are not random. So those are my specific level. So this line that I see has another meaning to me. So and why I took this for short position here. This is exactly why I took short position. As you can see on that 2 minute time frame, uh, let's go back into it. That 2 minute time frame, this is where we took the short position. Yeah, look at it. This is my first short position. I took, yeah, immediately this candle sword closes. Any candle that is going up like this, that's why I entered. My stop loss was just some tick above this word high. So so obviously what I'm seeing here is that okay, since we have had all this what bullish move, and I'm still expecting price to like hit this line. This is the 50% line of that chart and the lowest point. So and I don't want to. I was expecting price to collapse to the downside entirely to the downside because we have all those sell side here. Look at all those sell side liquidity that price is building. Look at it. They are very obvious. Look at it. So I don't like look at it. These lines they are very obvious. For me, they are very obvious. And you have what a fair value gap here. So what I was expecting is for price to just collapse to the downside, but I don't know why. Maybe today was a very high resistance liquidity law run. This price was finding it difficult to go lower. So let's go to 1 minute here. I will show you what I saw that made me do that trade. So, but anything I see here, they are not just random. You see the logic today. Look at it here. So as price was what going higher and higher, I was just monitoring each candle. So the first candle that I have here was this. I have this guy here. So for the fact that this candle, look at it, this week to the what upside, like this candle that week to the what upside, now tells me that okay, the next candle is coming, and we trade inside it, like it can walk inside of this range. That's my narrative. So I'm just watching. But it can go, but I don't want to see a body closure above it in the wake of this. So the next candle, we went there, just observing price action. Then the second, he went there, then second, third, then and have what? Here we trade what? Higher. But do you have a body closure above this? No. And price what collapse to the one downside. And this is where I now entered. I think it was on 2 minutes, but unfortunately I can't go on 2 minutes here. So I think I entered somewhere here. I think I entered somewhere here. So as far as doing this candle, any candle that is trace, this is where I entered. If you want to see it, it's very simple approach again. This is where I entered. Sorry, short position. Then my stop loss was just two pips, some pips away. Then my first target was this one. Is it there? Because I think I was aiming 1 to 3. So I think this is not the trade because that trade I was aiming 1 to 3, aiming 1 to 3. But just for telling you that okay, this is how things works. Let's just go with it. This is 2, 2.7. So when this candle now close, because I have another one here. Should I tell you another magic? Let's watch this. You see this 50%? I don't want to see a body closure above it. Are you seeing it? This is where I don't want to see a body closure. So after that, what happened? I'm just expect I like observing price action. The first price action I'm seeing a rejection, which is rejection, then you can enter here, your stop loss will be hot here. Then I think I didn't enter this trade. I was just battling with how price was what behaving because I was expecting a sharp move to what to this black line here. So that is what I was expecting. And I ended up closing my position, I think around here. Let me show you if you can see. So and I entered again. Yeah, look at it. So I entered somewhere here. Then so this is something very it's very hard to like get used to this kind of price action. So um so I close here at what break even. So and I entered again here. So why targeting that what 15-minute fair value gap and a 15-minute fair value gap. So those things are not just what random. So I'm showing you from that what 15 minutes after price trade lower like this. So that 15-minute time frame fair value gap, this is it. So I was expecting that okay, we must have what a reaction from that. Definitely, definitely. So once price to do this, look at it. Look at this candle here. Once you have what a body closure above it, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? You see this candle? You see the magic again. You see this line here? That is where I don't want to see a body closure. That is the highest point price can come. So price reach that place, then what happened? It would collapse to the what upside. So your entrance will be what as soon as this what we have a body closure here above this candle. Look at it. Maybe this one. So after price is how I trade is that I trade each what candle. So when this one has closed like this, any candle that what is retracing down to the downside, that is your entry, guys. You can enter here, then your stop loss will just be what here. Then and you can target all those what liquidity. But for me personally, I'm not taking this trade because my bias is there. It's what bearish. So I'm not taking, but I'm just showing how you can take advantage of this market despite its condition that people have what want to. So I don't know what it's going to do next, but I'm very sure this market. I'm very sure, and I hope that this market should collapse to the what downside and closes here. I don't know if you are getting me. So or it will close here. So let's see what price action will give us and hopefully on Wednesday probably we have another series.